In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up conversion API on your Selar so that you can track results more accurately on your Selar, right? This is what we call server side-by-side tracking, right? So why do you want to do that? Because using PISO alone to sell either on Selar or your website has a lot of limitation, right? Because iOS devices block tracking, even most browsers can block tracking, so your result is not accurate. And if you don't have an accurate result, Facebook is going to find it difficult to optimize your ad and look for more people that are more likely to take that decision. All right. So why you listening to me? My name is Goodbless, but you have run a lot of ads. I have trained a lot of people how to run ads. Right. As you can see, I recently host is live training here in Abuja, right? And I have over 19 attendees, right? So I've been doing this for over a while now. I've generated a lot of sales, I've generated a lot of sales and hundreds of thousands of leads for almost any industry you can think of. All right. So to get started, you want to come to Selar. All right. Then go to your product. I want to use my event ticket now as a case study here. So I'll go to my event ticket. I will click on this edit here. Right. I will edit it. And I will change the price to ₦0, which I've already done. Right. So I will change. So this what you want to do. You want to edit your product you are selling on Selar. Change the amount to ₦0. Right. Then then redirecting URL, remove it. Right. Then click on update product. All right. Now go to event manager to connect your API. All right. Come to your ads manager. Once you come to your ads manager, right. Let me open it again, which is facebook.com/ads manager. Right. So come here. Bring your mouse to the left side of your screen. Right. Then click on all events, or you can simply click on all tools. Look at it, this all tools here. Click on this all tools here. Then click on event manager, which is this one here. Click on it, event manager, so that you can set up your API conversion on your Selar. Now, if you don't know how to set up your pixel on your Selar, I've done a video on that already. So just check the description of this video where I show you how to create your pixel, how to link it to your Selar account, and how to create a custom event on your Selar, so that whenever anybody buy a product from your Selar store, Facebook is going to record it, track it, and optimize it, and look for more people that are more likely to buy that. Right. So in this video, I'm just going to focus on how you can do the conversion API. Right. Now, once you come to this place, you want to select your pixel. Like you can see, I have a lot of pixel here. First of all, I want to select the right ad account my pixel is under. Okay, so it's this one. I will select the right ad account my pixel is very, very important. If not, you're not going to see your pixel. Right. So always click on this triangle icon here to select the hard account that your pixel is under. So you can see I have a lot of pixel here, but this is the pixel I want to use, right? My Saga Abuja event pixel, right? So I will click on it to open the pixel ID. Like I said, if you don't know how to create a pixel, you just check the description of this video. I've already done a video that shows you how to create a pixel on how to link it to your Selar and how to create a custom event. This video just how to set up the conversion API to track more accurately, right? Now you can see an overview here, right? What you want to do, you want to make sure that you're on the right pixel, right? If you're not in the right pixel, you can click on this drop down here, right? And select the right pixel. Right, now we're on the right pixel, right? You want to confirm we're on the right pixel, right? Now click on this settings here under your right pixel, right? Click on your settings here, then scroll down. You're going to see conversion API, right? You're going to see conversion API. Look at it here. You're going to see conversion API, but you want to see scroll down. Under setup direct integration, click on this generate access token, right? Click on it to get your API key. Then select the pixel, right? Now I'm selecting my Saga Abuja pixel. Why? Because this pixel is what I link. So I've selected the pixel. I'll click on generate access token, right? So if you don't know how to create a pixel, don't worry about that. I link a video there. I'll show you how to create a pixel from the scratch, right? Now this is our API key. Copy the API key here. You just click on it to copy it. Then you can save it in your notepad too, or your Microsoft Word, wherever you want to save it. So you can save it here. Right? This is our API key. Now we're not going to go back to Selar and paste it to Selar. right? Okay, this is our API key, all right, and this is our pixel ID. This number here is our pixel ID, so we copy it too. We want to save it somewhere too, all right. Good. So this is our pixel ID. This is our pixel ID. This one I did with um red. Our pixel ID. Then this is our API. Then this is our API key. So what do we now do? We now go to pick seller. Now under your seller dashboard, like I told you, always put your uh, price at 0 naira whenever you want to do an integration like this, right? Now after you have updated your product or seller, just click on update product, right? Now our product is now free. So come to this place, come to the menu of your seller, this one here, right? Click on it. It's going to open a windows like this. So scroll down until you see integration. Look at it, integration, right? This place here, integration, right? Now under integration, assuming all this is not here, just click on this arrow icon here, right? Assuming, so look at it now, it's hidden. So to get all the option, click on this arrow, right? Under integration, right? Now look for Facebook pixel plus conversion API. Look at it here, Facebook pixel plus conversion API, right? Now click on it. Right, click on it. Now we are now on this windows. What do you have to do? Very simple. You copy your pixel ID, which is this number here. You copy it, then you paste it here, right? You paste it here. Then you click on enable conversion API. Look at it here, enable conversion API. So click on it to enable conversion API. Now paste your API key, the one we copied just now from Facebook, right? Look at it here again. This one here, your API key, copy it. Then go to your seller and paste it here, right? Then click on update pixel. So just make sure you click on update pixel. Look at it, it enable server-side event tracking for better accuracy and reliability. So you can see we have set up our conversion API, and that's all. So how do you know that your conversion API is working? You are going to see connection method, browser, server. Alright, browser is your pixel and server is your conversion API. Alright, so I hope you are finding this video. So that's how you basically set up your conversion API and link it to your seller. Alright, it's very simple to do. Like I said, if you want to learn how to create your pixel, how to set up an event, and how to link it to a particular product. Let's say you have more than 10 products on seller, you want to tie each sales to the particular product you are selling on seller, and you tell Facebook which of your products is actually bringing the sales. You can do that. I said, you can do that. Alright, I'll link the video in the description. Right. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? And click on this video showing at the top of your screen to learn how to create your pixels from scratch and set it up on your seller, right? And create a custom event on your seller and link it to your product, right? And I'm going to see you there. Peace out.